Good evening, everyone. I was scheduled to speak this Friday, pero in advance na ako, naging non-prime time yung schedule ko. From non-prime time to... Okay, anyway, good evening, everyone. I'm deeply sad sa pagkawala ni Mother. Kasi, kapag-umpisa ka lang ako, medyo naiyak na ako. Kasi she is really, literally, a second mother to me. I began my career in show business, in the producing side. Mother gave me the break as a producer. First, as a line producer for movies. Sabi ko kay Mayor Bong Mercado at one given time, sabi ko, Mayor Bong, sabi ko sa kanya, kaya ko bang maging line producer tulad mo? Kasi gusto ko sana maging line producer. Tapos sabi niya, oo, kaya mo, Manny. Ano ka ba? Matalino ka naman. So, with his blessings of Mayor Bong, tinuruan niya ako patiently on how to do line production. At that given time, I was the manager of Marisa Soriano, who I managed for around 18 to 20 years, na naging isang original Regal baby. That's why I was very close to Mother Lily dahil aside from being manager of Maricel, syempre, there is that relationship also with the producer dahil yun ang dapat. It has been a smooth relationship with Mother as our producer, both Maricel and myself. And hindi ko makakalimutan yung point na ganun pala ang Chinese na pag pinagkatiwalaan ka ng isang proyekto, tuloy-tuloy yung pagtitiwala niya. I never lost that trust. Thank you, Mother. Because if I would recall my journey to Regal Television, I was trusted with one show, which is Mother Studio Presents. And off we went regularly to far away Parañaque to visit and deal with Direk Argel Joseph, who started our Regal Television via Mother Studio Presents. And then after one project, after that project became very successful because it became a consistent top rater on GMA7. Then after Mother Studio Presents, there came many others like Regal Shocker, Regal Drama Presents Aiko, 13, 14, 15, at marami pang iba. And it ended up, nung naging 5 na yung TV shows na pinahawak sa akin ni Mother Lily, ang sabi ko, I think it's about time that she looks for another person na katulad ko na same level. Kasi 5 na hinahawakan ko eh. And that's a very hectic schedule for me dahil in order to be on top of 5 TV programs na running every week, madugo yun. But Mother kept, sabi niya, no, Manny, I would not like to hire another person aside from you. Dahil, lagyan mo lang ng tao yan. Tao-tao lang yan, Mama. You supervise them. And then, you take charge. You're on top of that because I only want to deal with you. No one else. Siyempre, given the opportunity, di ba, I'm very thankful that Mother trusted me that much. Nakakataba ng puso dahil yung pagtitiwala niya, talagang sobra-sobra. And I'm very thankful of that. Of course, because of Regal Television, binigyan ako ni Mother Lily ng bahay without asking. Tanong lang niya sa akin, Manny, may bahay ka na ba? Sagot ko, Mother, wala pa. Bumili ka ng bahay. Ako bahala. Mother, wala pa akong enough savings. No. Ako ang bahala. Bumili ka na kung gusto mong bahay at ako magbabayad. So, syempre, ang binili kong bahay, yung pinakamura na para affordable. I didn't want to take advantage of the generosity of Mother Lily. Pero ang pinili ko, yung isang simpleng townhouse. Hindi ko pinili yung corner lot na townhouse. Kasi syempre, mas mahal yun. At baka ending, hindi ko mabayaran. Well, I know naman na Mother Lily will pay for it. So alam ko, hindi mareremata. So, I bought it, she paid for it, and in the end, I owned it. O diba, saan ka nakakita ng producer na without asking her, na talagang out of the blues, biglang naisip niya, may bahay ka na ba? So that's how much she cared for her people. And I truly appreciate that. There have been times na nagkakaroon sila ng gap. Siyempre, ni Maricel Soriano, the one I managed before, kasi siyempre, it's not a solid journey. Meron ups and downs of the relationship, given the fact na they are more or less very passionate people. Mother is passionate, and so with Maricel, very passionate. So I was just always on the middle, trying to make a way to pacify things and make the relationship better and to be more productive, so that Regal Films, kasi modesty aside, Regal Films naman made Maricel, and with all the many box offices of Maricel, naging isa siyang treasured Regal baby ni Mother Lily. One thing more before I forget is I would like to thank Rosel Monteverde, because medyo mahaba na kasi kwento ko. The last memory of me with Mother Lily is thanks to Rosel. She invited me to a early dinner in Gloria Maris with Mother. And I was very thankful kasi for the longest time I wanted to have dinner with her. Naingkit ako sa Wednesday crowd nila Cesar Tamalisa, Malufagar, because they visited Mother Lily in Green Hills. Tapos, hindi ako kasama. And then, right after that, Rosel invited me. Ewan ko ba nabasa niya yung utak ko, whatever. So, readily, with her invitation, tuloy-tuloy agad ako sa Gloria Maris. And sabi nga ni Rosel, oh, Manny, si Mother hindi lumalabas ng bahay yan, ha? Pero, eto, lumabas siya ng bahay. Kasi, namiss na rin niya ang Gloria Maris food. Paborito niya yung, and then, she was there. She was seated and, made an effort to eat. Kasi, di ba, medyo mahirap na siyang lumano or kumain. And, I saw how much Rosel cared for her mother. So, I am very touched. I will never forget that moment, simply because Mother kept saying, I miss you, Manny. I miss you, Manny. Paulit-ulit. Those were her lines. Those were her only lines at that given. I miss you, Manny. Of course, I would reply back, I miss you, Manny, too, Mother. I love you. Ganun. So, thank you, Rosel, for giving me that moment, because I will forever treasure that. And it's very good closure that whatever I am today is very much because of Mother Lily. I love you, Mother. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk Manny.